Making money in the online space is not as easy as it seems. And I really wish that when I started, there was someone to tell me that. You know, when you go on your phone and you go online and you see all these internet people making money online, flashy cars, flashy houses, flashy everything, they're making money online. And you're just sitting there on your bed, sucking your thumb or sitting wherever, just looking at their success, and you're like kind of upset that that's not you, right? And that was me for a long time, especially when I put myself in that online space or when I try to make money online. And that's something that no one talks about. Very few people come up or make a video just like this who have actually made it out on the other side. I'm 18 years old. I still live in my parents' house by choice, and I'm 18, and I make between 10 and 20K a month online through online space. And this is not including my building my personal brand. This is something that I've been doing for 2 months now, and I'm just trying to build that up. But yeah, it's very under no one talks about it, that we see all these influencers and all these internet gurus making money online, and it just kind of builds a false narrative or a false perspective on what life could actually be. And another thing I wanted to mention is that no one talks about the grind that came from doing that. Like, so many people that I know would see, like, people that have met me when I was up or when I'm up now, people that have met me recently when I'm up, they've come to me and they say that, oh, you were made from wealth, or you had this all the time or whatever. I literally work more than 15 hours in one day, right? And it pisses me off when people come up to me and say that, oh, you were made, you already have money, you're already rich, came from a rich back. No, I didn't. I was born in Botswana. I was born in Africa. My parents are from Zimbabwe. And I'm not saying it to say that they're struggling or whatever. They're not. you know Recently they've not been struggling, but people come up to me, and it pisses me off. People come up to me and say that, oh, you came from wealth, you didn't have to work hard. you know I will tell you something, right? I have a girlfriend, right? And I work, like I said before, 15 hours or even more than that. Sometimes a day I'll be sitting in this chair just working and making content and doing things to make me have more money, right? And I do these things, and I still go to my girlfriend, and I say, I'm upset. I'm upset at myself because I'm not doing enough, right? And you guys can look at me like I'm crazy, but look, we I'm competing with people like TJR. If you don't know who TJR is, search him up, right? He's making 100 TikToks a day, you know, and I think he's 23 now. He's buying Lambos, he's buying a Bugatti, he's buying a Conan's eggs. These people are making money online and educating people to make money online. And I respect and I love TJR so much, right? But at the same time, that's someone who I'm competing with. And my goal at the end of the day is to win. I'm a winner. I want to win. I want to dominate every industry that I'm in, right? And unfortunately, he's in the way, right? But yeah, so many people will look and not see success, right? And sorry, so many people will look at me and they'll think that, oh, it was easy. And I said before that I talk to my girlfriend and say I'm not happy with myself. And when I tell her those things, she'll be like, oh, it's okay, she'll be supportive and stuff and be comforting. But I'm not happy with myself. And that's me. That's someone of my worth ethic. Now, you probably watching this are someone who does what is required. You don't do more than you're supposed to. And if you're someone who does more than you're supposed to, congratulations, good for you, right? Very great, congratulations. But if you are someone who just does what is required, if you go to school, if you have a goal, let's say you want to be a doctor, right? Let's say you want to be a doctor. And if you're someone who goes and studies your med school, whatever you need to study, or if you're still in like high school or whatever, if you just do what is required and don't do extra work and you're comfortable with that, I can't do that. That's not me. I'm someone who needs to really like work insanely, you know, to really, I'm someone who likes to reassure myself. There's a saying that says, there's a saying that says, work so hard to the point where it's unreasonable for you not to be successful, right? That's the saying that I live by, and I've always been like that. Like I said before, I want to win, and I'll work so hard to the point where winning is not even in question. I'm building a personal brand right now, right? Building a personal brand. I'm posting on all platforms, and my brand is I help people in Africa make money online. I teach them how to make money online for free. I don't charge them these bullshit courses or these things that can teach them. I don't take money from them. I'm doing it for completely free because this needs to be a movement. It needs to be a statement, and I'm saying it here today is that people don't have to live by a system. They don't have to go to work. They don't have to go to school, get a degree, go to work, wake up for their 9 to 5 and get a traditional job like everyone else. And if you're someone like that, I'm not attacking you. If that's what you want, fair enough. Good on you. Go do what you want to do, right? Go do. I tell people to chase their dreams all the time. If that's what you want to do, chase your dreams, bro. Go do it, right? But I'm here for the people that want more. I'm here for the people that are hungry, the killers in the game, you know, people that need guidance, you know. Because when I got into this online space, there was no one, there was no guidance, there was nothing, and I made it, you know. I wouldn't say I made it, but I'm someone who can say that I've made over 7 figures in the online space. That should be good enough for you guys to be like, okay, this guy is worth listening to, right? And it's crazy. So many people will just look at the success and don't think of the hard work. Like I said before, I've been sitting here working. I have another video to record after this one. I recorded one previously. They're all going to YouTube. They're all going to Spotify. They're going on all platforms in different formats, as text, as podcast, as audio, as video, as imagery, right? On all platforms. But no one can do that, right? And this is just one of the things I'm doing on the side. But yeah, if you're someone who wants to make money online, the reason that I went on a rant and told you all this stuff is because I want you to realize what it takes. Oh, hold on, I need to clean my camera. I'm seeing some dust. Okay, it's good enough. Okay, sorry about that. I want you to realize what it takes to get into, to get into this and to actually make it out. Because if you're someone who gets into online space and you give up halfway, good. And when you get offended when I say good, I genuinely mean it, because we need people like you. Success wouldn't be valued if everyone was successful, right? But if you're someone who's hungry, DM me on Instagram. I will respond. I literally have I had a call I had 3 calls today. 3 coaching calls completely free. I spoke to a 16-year-old today. Pause, that's a crazy statement, but I was helping that person make money online. Spoke to an 18-year-old and a 23-year-old, and I taught them how to make money. Yes, they did not see money today, but after the lessons, all 3 of them said, wow, I've valued so much from this. I've valued so much more than I'd ever get from watching 10 YouTube videos of the same thing, right? I wish that there was someone like that for me. That's why I'm doing this. I don't have to do this. I really don't. And I really wish that there was someone there for me to teach me how to make money online. And, it's crazy because whilst I was doing this, there were things that happened to me, Emotionally, I went through a phase of depression, and I got sad and upset of things that were happening in my life. And I went through a really bad time, maybe like 6 months. 2024, 2025, 6 months was the roughest time of my life. Those 6 months, and hold on, my nose is I don't know why. But yeah, I went through depression for like 6, 7 months. And I'm proud to say that I wouldn't say I've gotten over depression, but I've dealt with it, because I personally believe that no one can beat depression. I think it's something that you just deal with and you learn to get over it, right? You accept it. You don't feel sorry for yourself anymore. But yeah, I'm someone who went through that, and I was alone. No one helped me, you know? And I'm sure that there are people out there just like you. If you're someone who's going through stuff like that, and if you're someone who is alone and you really want to build something for yourself and for your family, you want to retire your parents, you want to give them the life, you want to thank them You're gonna thank them for being your parents, and you don't have anyone to go to. You know, I'm there. I'm here. And I wish there was someone like that for me. My personal brand is about helping Africans make money online. And to be honest, you can be from anywhere in the world, and I will help you to make money online for free. Who else is going to give you that? I'm building my brand. I'm building my brand now. I started literally 2-3 months ago, and the engagement that I'm getting on social media is crazy. It's crazy, 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 crazy. And sometimes, like the other day, I was talking to my girlfriend, right? And I was just saying how surprised I was to see how many people were in the same situation as me. Because a lot of you guys watching, are in you want to be in the top 1% of people, or top 1% of earners, right? In the world, or top 0.1% of earners in the world, right? That's what you want to be. And no one is there to help you. And when you go on YouTube and watch people teach people how to make money online, they're asking for money up front. And to be honest, oh my days, my nose. I think it's because we're in spring. I'm in the UK right now. It's because we're in spring. But yeah, if you're someone who wants to make money online and you don't have money yourself, and that person is asking you to give them, like, imagine me asking you to give me your money, right? It's a very risky thing to do for the person who wants to make money online. It's a very risky thing to do, and so many people think that it's okay just to, or not so many people, so many people that are doing these courses, they think that it's okay to take money from people that are trying to make money, but yet you're supposed to help the person make money, but you're taking it from them. I don't understand. Now the thing about, you see, like, the people I respect, I don't know if I said I respect TJR in this video or in the previous one, but the reason that I respect TJR is all his content is available online for free. And this is not a promo, I'm not promoting him, right, or anything, but all his content is available online for free. The only reason that he charges for his blueprint thing that he's got going on is because it's now taking his personal time, right? That's why he's doing it. But then look at me, I'm one up against him because my personal time, I will hop on calls, right, with you guys for completely free. Right now, I'm focused on building a school community. There's a platform called School where you can basically teach people. It's kind of like Hustlers University, kind of, where people can join, and then you can learn. I'll put content up and stuff, and yeah, and that will be for free. You guys don't need to pay anything. Why would you not do it? Genuinely speaking, if you say if you say you want to be rich, and if you're as serious as it if you're as serious as if you are as serious with it as you claim that you are, then why would you not join? You know, why would you not join the thing? It's free. It's like me saying this is free. Why would you not join? So no brainer. Some people are naive sometimes, and some people want success. Pick your poison. But yeah, I want you guys to really take what I said in this video. Like I said, I started off with success. I started talking about success in this video, and then I also was talking about the grind that it took. You know, my day, yes, I know there are 24 hours in a day, but my day consists of 30 hours. I work, what I do is I sleep. Okay, let me start from the beginning of my day. I wake up, I work for maybe 15 hours. I eat, then I work for another 10 hours, and then I sleep for a few hours. I don't really sleep. If you check, my eyes are red and I've kind of got eye bags, right? Yeah, there'll be like 1 or 2 days in a week where I like really, really sleep for like a long time because I need it, right? But then most of the time I'm living off of 3-4 hours of sleep and getting back in the game. That's the type of person I am. And the money is coming in, so why would I not do it? You know? And the purchases that I buy things to make me make more money. A lot of you guys are smoking, doing drugs, getting girls pregnant, focusing on girls, chasing women, chasing these things that don't help you in any way, shape, or form. That's what you're doing. And you're still worried about, and you still say you wanna be successful, and you're serious about it, and you say, Oh, bro, 2026 is the year I want to lock in. Come, bro, let's lock in. You know, you say all these things, but you're doing otherwise. You're showing otherwise. That's something that I learned in 2025 is don't judge when you're talking to someone, or when you want to like build a relationship or friendship with someone. Judge them by their actions, not by what they say. And I wish someone had told me that sooner. If someone says that they love you and they do other things like cheat on you, do they really love you? No, they don't. It's like A, B, C. It's really simple to understand. But yeah, I told you about my brand. I'm someone who helps people make money online. I focus on Africans mainly because that's my niche. I teach Africans how to make money online. But to be honest, you can be from anywhere in the world. Online has no borders. You can be from literally anywhere, any country, you name it, as long as you've got a phone or a laptop or internet and internet connection, you can make money online. That's what I do. I hope you enjoyed this video and took value from it. If you want more content like these, please like, comment, share this video to your friends, to your family members who need to see this. Someone, if you know someone who wants to be in the online space of, or someone who's trying to make money online, right? If you're that type of person, help them. Send this to them. Like this video so you can see more content like this on your page. And I'm really helpful that you I'm really not helpful I'm really grateful that you watched all the way through this video, because it means you took value and you really understood what I was saying. And also it means that you wanted to make change, and that's the first step to being successful. And as always, from Africa to the world, let's build wealth. Peace.